Hey, happy Friday. Happy last day of school. It is Friday, May 8th. Look, I've even got my happy last day of school shirt on. So you guys have done great. I know this hasn't been the best situation, but know that we all miss you and we hope that you have a wonderful summer. Continue to read and use some of those apps that you have to kind of keep learning fresh on your brain so that when school starts back in August, you will be fresh and ready to go. So spend a little bit of time every week working either on Seesaw and reading on Epic or just reading books and keep your brain engaged. So today's lessons, we will review everything we've talked about this week. Non-fiction text features is things such as headings and captions to help you better understand what you read. Visual information is pictures, charts, graphs, and other visual elements that can explain more about a topic. Your vocabulary was diligent, which means hardworking. Efficient, doing a job in a timely manner with the least amount of effort or materials. Outwit, to be clever, to be more clever than someone else. And then glamorous was attractive and exciting. So your worksheets for today, this is how a bill becomes a law. So this is called a flow chart. So you have a paragraph here, and my computer, I think, is making that there. That's a little bit better. So how a bill becomes law. So you have a paragraph here, and then you have, this is called the flow chart. So you can follow what happens here. Okay, so you're going to use that flow chart and the questions to help you answer the 3 questions. And I do want you to go ahead and do the strategy practice on that. Then on the back, you have a story called Word Wizards. You're going to use that to answer your 7 questions. And then you have a chart. So you're going to use the chart to answer those 3 questions. And then you have your vocabulary, 4 questions, and then using the word efficient in a sentence. Some of you have a backside to that. If you do, I've crossed it out. Some of you do not. So you do not have to do that backside. Okay, and then you need to be writing in your journal. So your journal may be something that you want to continue through the summer. Just writing, a little bit every day or every couple of days or even once a week, what's going on and what the news is saying and how you're feeling and what you're doing. So that might be something you might want to keep up with because, like I said last week, I think it was, we're living through history. So sometime in the future, when you have children, this is going to be a big deal, and you'll be able to tell them everything that went on during this time. And if you have that journal, that might be something fun to share with them. Okay, math today, you have 3 pages. Okay, so this one's the order of operations. Okay, Miss Scott worked one out here for you. She put a little note over here to solve what's in the parentheses first. Okay, so if a bunch of these have parentheses, so if you have this problem, 5 times 10 divided by 2 equals what? So you're going to start with what's in the parentheses first. So you're going to do 10 divided by 2, that's 5. Now you're going to do what's outside the parentheses. 5 times 5 is 25, and that's your answer. Okay, so that's how you do that page. And this is actually on the back of yesterday's worksheet. And then you have a subtraction crossword. And you have a time crossword. Okay, and then you need to be playing Hangman with those new 8 words that you're learning. And then you have your social studies, so this should be finished up. It's the end of the week. Okay, so your map should be filled in for a second time, but you didn't use any helps on the second time you did it. You did it from memory. Okay, and your last assignment of the school year is your science. And this is wanting you to draw a core sample and label the layers and then answer the 2 questions. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful summer, and I cannot wait to see you all back in August. It's going to be a very long time that we haven't got to see you. So we are all super excited to get back to school in August. And like I said, spend some time this summer reading and doing some of those activities on those websites, Seesaw and Happy Math. That will help you when we start back to school in August. So you guys have a wonderful summer, and we will see you all soon. Bye.